Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a free website in any sector which will be for you as a professional. So you can create your website in basically two platforms, which are Blogspot or Blogger and WordPress. WordPress is better and easy for you, so I am going to show you how to create a WordPress website for free in just 5 to 10 minutes. Just start. So you have to go to a link which is given in description box. After that you have to come here. This means wordpress.com. After that, get started. After that you have to type here your email address and username which you want the link of your page. So I am going to type here my email address and username. I am going to something like this, SDFCFG. Choose different. This is not available, so you have it is taken by somebody, so I am going to choose another. So you have to create your email address, whatever you have. After that you have to choose password and username must be what will be your link in your websites. So you have to choose here your email address what you have. I am starting it. Yes, I have typed my email address. Now I have to click on create account. Now I have to choose different password here. Now click again to create account. Then you have to choose your name. What do you want to use site's name? I have using here my first page. After that you have to choose what category will you provide in your blog or page. Then I am going to see education. Now education you have to select. After that, what's the primary goal you have for your site? Then you have to choose here something. Here is exam experience. Now after that you have to click on continue. Then if you want to buy a domain, then you can domain from here to buy. After that, if you don't want, then you have to choose a WordPress.com login, which will be subdomain with the link. So you have to choose here a link. Then you have to choose the domain whatever you want. Then I am choosing it askaguide.com.blog. This is free, so I have to click here select. After that you will get sometime these types of interface. Then you have to choose what types of plan do you want. Then you can see 4 types of here: free, blogger, and personal, and another is premium. If you are new in website or page, then you have to choose start with free. After that you can upgrade it. So just starting it. Now our blog has completed. Then you have to do something with this. This is your website. So if you want to type, then you have to write here. Then click your title whatever you want. After that, this is post. After that, if you want to something SEO about this, then I will make another content video then where you will get every kinds of tutorial and guides on this. Now publish it here. Then click on publish. I am not using SEO here because of the video. Now just go view post, click on view post, then you will able to see your website here. Now you can see here, this is your site and this is the post. Your first post was like this. After that, if you want to change your theme and any kinds of for customizing this site, then you will able. So that is the first, and next will be another video. So be with us with subscribing for next day. Thank you.